Here's another part of my collection of plastic promo models. This is a 53 Nash Ambassador Custom 4-door sedan by Product True Miniatures. This tinted glass all the way around, 3-piece rear window, large tail lights that Nash had on the back side, and this model is in relatively good shape with little warpage, although the rear friction wheels do not turn easily. But I got this model because it's a rare Nash promo model. There's the front end with its oval shaped grille. And the side profile, there is no interior to show. Couldn't see it anyway with the tinted windows. Again, the rear end treatment. A real good model of an orphan car maker, Nash. Made so many good products over the years. And thank you for viewing.